Hey Thunderwolves! Getting ready to register for courses? Knowing which courses you need to take is the first step. In this video, we'll walk you through where to find your program requirements, how to understand them, and how they'll help you plan your courses every year. If any of the terms you hear in this video are unfamiliar to you, check out our video on understanding course lingo, linked in the description. Start from the home page of the Lakehead website. At the very top of the page, click Students, then Academic Success and Academic Calendar. You can also scroll to the bottom of any page on the Lakehead website and find the link to the academic calendar. The academic calendar contains a wealth of important information that you're responsible for knowing as you navigate your academic journey at Lakehead, like regulations, important dates, and most important for today's video, your program requirements. So if you begin your program in the 2025-2026 academic year, you would refer back to the 2025-2026 calendar each year until you graduate. If you're beginning your first year at Lakehead, stay on the home page. If you're a returning student, click Previous Calendars, then click the year you began your program of study. From here, click Programs and Faculties and scroll until you find your faculty. If you're a concurrent education student, you're not looking for the Faculty of Education. Instead, look for the faculty of your other degree. For example, if you're completing a Bachelor of Arts in English with your Bachelor of Education, look for the Faculty of Social Sciences and Humanities. For our example, we're using the Honors Bachelor of Science in Biology requirements, so I'm going to scroll to the Faculty of Science and Environmental Studies. When you've found your faculty, click Undergraduate Programs, or if you're a graduate student, click Graduate Programs. Then, find and click on your department. I'm clicking on Biology. Here you'll see some general information about the department, followed by a list of programs they offer. Be sure to double-check your offer letter or program details in My Portal for the exact name of your program, as some programs have very similar names. You'll notice each of the programs have blue squares containing TB, O, B, or W beside them. This tells you the location your program is offered: Thunder Bay, Orillia, Barrie, or online delivery. Now, click your program. You'll see some general information about your program, followed by your program requirements, broken down by year level. Each year, the requirements are listed in order of importance and add up to a minimum of 5 FCEs, but some programs require more. In general, your requirements will be listed in the following order: required courses in your major, required courses outside your major, specified electives, and open electives. Depending on your program, you might have a lot or very little choice in the courses you need to take to meet the requirements of your program. Either way, we recommend that you start at the top and work your way down the list when you plan your timetable. If you're a part-time student or not taking a full course load, you won't be able to complete the full list of program requirements in one academic year. Remember, you'll still need to complete them eventually, so keep this in mind when registering for courses in subsequent terms. Now, let's break down the first year requirements for an Honors Bachelor of Science in Biology. Requirement A is asking for 2 required courses in my major, Biology 1050 and Biology 1051. Requirement B is asking for 2 required courses outside my major, Chemistry 1110 and Chemistry 1130. Requirement C is asking me to choose 1 FCE from a list of specific math courses. Since each of the courses are worth 0.5 FCE, I need to choose 2 of them. Requirement D is asking me to choose 1 FCE from Type C courses not in biology. I can choose 1 full credit course or 2 half credit courses in math, engineering, or natural sciences as long as they're not biology courses. Requirement E is asking me to choose an elective worth 0.5 FCE from any course type except Type C. Essentially, any elective that isn't a math, engineering, or natural science course. Requirement F is asking me to choose any elective worth 0.5 FCE. There are no restrictions on what I can choose as long as the course itself doesn't have restrictions based on year level, program, or prerequisites. Be sure to read through your program requirements carefully, including any notes or recommendations. If you're ever unsure about a requirement, don't hesitate to reach out to your program chair or connect with a Student Central professional for clarification. Now that you understand your program requirements, check out our videos planning your timetable and registering for courses to see how to build your schedule and complete registration for the full academic year. Thanks for watching, Thunderwolves. See you in the next video.